Welcome back everyone, I am Saptaparni from BioLive. Hope all of you are doing very well. So in today's video, we are going to discuss about a very important topic of evolution, that is the Great Dying or PT extinction. See, we know that there are 5 major mass extinctions in our earth, okay. What is mass extinction? Mass extinction means that type of relatively abrupt extinction where 75% or more than that global species get extinct in a very short time. Here you have to remember that the short time does not mean 1 or 2 years. It means thousands of years. That is very short in terms of evolution, okay, because evolution is the journey of millions and millions of years. So thousands years or 1 million year is very short time for evolutionary study, okay. Now 5 major mass extinctions are as follows: end of Ordovician extinction, end of Devonian extinction, end of Permian or PT extinction, end of Triassic, and end of Cretaceous or KT extinctions. Here I have given the time frame in the geological time scale, okay, when the extinctions have happened, okay, and how much percent of global species got extinct in these types of extinctions. The reference is from Strickberger's Evolution, okay, 5th edition, okay. Now from this you can see, though we study mostly about the KT extinctions where the non-avian dinosaurs got extinct, but the greatest dying or the greatest extinction was in the PT extinction or the end of Permian extinction, where 96% of the global species got extinct. That is why this extinction is known as the Great Dying, okay. Now why it is called PT extinction? Because it occurred at the end of Permian and start of Triassic period, okay. As you all know, Ordovician, Devonian, Permian, these are under the Proterozoic era, and whereas Triassic and Cretaceous are under the Mesozoic era, okay. So between these two era, between two period, Permian and Triassic, this extinction happened, and that is why it is known as PT extinction, Permian Triassic extinction, okay. So let's discuss about this, what happened here, why happened here, and what species got extinct in this extinction briefly. See, in the Great Dying or PT extinctions, which occurred around 251 million years ago, it occurred in 3 pulses of extinction over 165,000 years, okay. In this extinction, overall 96% of the global species got extinct, and it is the first time in the history of evolution where both marine and terrestrial organisms got extinct in considerable amount, okay. Before these extinction, in end of Ordovician or end of Devonian extinction, mainly marine organisms got extinct but not terrestrial organisms, okay. So this is the first extinction where both marine and terrestrial organisms got extinct. Here 96% of the marine species, then 70% of the terrestrial vertebrates, and 85% of the terrestrial insects got extinct, and these occurred in 3 pulses over 165,000 years, okay. Now what is the cause behind this Great Dying or PT extinction? See, there are several views regarding this, but the most accepted view is due to the release of methane from the sea floor, okay, this extinction occurred, okay. Due to the methane, the environment became very toxic, and due to that only this extinction occurred in very large extent, okay. And other views are like long-term droughts and decreased atmospheric oxygen level, okay, and all of these conditions resulted in toxicity in our climate, in our environment, and as a result 96% of the global species got extinct. In this extinction, the most important one species that got extinct is trilobites, okay. As we all know, trilobites were very abundant in the marine ecosystem, okay. It is the marine arthropods, okay. It started to decline earlier, but in this extinction they got completely extinct, okay. That is why this extinction is very important for trilobites, okay. So this is all about the Great Dying or PT extinction. I hope this video will be useful for you, and if you find this video useful, don't forget to hit the like button and share it with your friends, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more such videos. Thanks for watching and happy learning.